Hello and welcome back. So in this video we will start by writing some code. So basically you can see that this is our first view controller. So we already have a Swift file for this. So let's start by creating some connections. So I will hit this button and okay, let's remove this. Let's remove the code that we don't want. Okay, now I will need a outlet for this text field. This is of type UI text field. The title should be, I think, let's give it title text field. Okay. Now I need actually an function for this button. Come on. Okay. Search button pressed. Oh shit! I have created an IB outlet. So let's delete this by right clicking, and you can see that here it is. Let's remove this and remove this also. I will again do control and click, and instead of outlet I will choose action, and this will be search button pressed, type is UI button and connect. Okay, I think I am done with this. So for the segue, let's give an identifier. So I will give it to be segue only. Okay, this is done. So let's move into our code file to write some code. So now basically what we will do is, first, as soon as the app is open, so let's actually open the app and then I will show you what we want to do. Let it run. Basically you can see that this is the app. So whenever we click this text field, a keyboard will open, okay, like this. So basically what we want is that we want to hide this keyboard. So suppose, suppose if we are clicking outside our text field, the keyboard is not hiding. So what we want a function so that the keyboard will hide. Okay, and the second thing is we want to remove this carrier, time and battery sign. So let's do that in our code. So I will stop my app. So I will add add a delegate which is for the text field, which is UI text field delegate. Come on, UI text field delegate. Okay, here it is. Now I will add some functions. The first function is for hiding the status bar, so it is prefer status bar hidden, and I will just return true so that it will hide the status bar. The second function is touches begin. Here it is. So basically this function is for guessing the touches that we made outside our text field or in the any UI of our iOS app. So I will just type title text field dot resign first responder. Okay, this is the only thing that we want to write. So if we run our app again, let's wait and see. So this is our app. You can see that if we click here, the keyboard will open, and if we, let's say if you type something like game, and if we click outside, you can see that the keyboard will automatically hide. If we tap it here again, the keyboard will come, and if we tap return, you can see that nothing is happening. So basically now what we want to do is we want to implement a function so that whenever we type return, the keyboard should hide automatically. Okay, and one more thing, we also want here a clear sign, so that if we press that sign, the text field will automatically clear. So let's stop our app and implement those two functions. So the functions for the for the keyboard search button is, it's I think search button, sorry, it's text field should return. Okay, this is the function, text field should return. So here we can simply type the same code, dot resign first responder, and then we can just return true because it is expecting a boolean return statement. So this is done. Now we want to add a clear button. For that we have to go to our storyboard, and let's open this right menu, and if you click this text field and you scroll down, you can see that here is the option clear button. So instead of never appears, say appear while editing. Okay, now I will close this down, go back to my file, and let's run our app and see whether the changes are working perfectly or not. Okay, so you can see that at the top there is no status bar. If you click at the text field, you can see that the keyboard has appeared, and let's type something, and let's tap outside. You can see that the keyboard is hiding, and let's now type something and press return. Okay, it's not hiding. So I think we forgot to do something. Okay, no problem. But you can see that here a clear button is appearing. If you type, you can just press this clear button, so it will clear all the text field. But actually the return button is not working, so we will fix it. So first what we will do is we will make the placeholder to be small so that we can easily see the clear button. Okay, where's the place? Okay, so I think I will do 20. No, let's do 22 and run this app and see what happens. Okay, if I press this and let's say I type something, oh, now it is looking nice. You can see that here is the little button which you can click and it will automatically close. Now we have to implement only one thing, which is the return button. So what I will do is I will just open Google and type text field should return Swift and press enter. So basically it will take us to some questions. So you can see that here's an article. So if you go down, this is the function. So it is doing the same thing, I guess, as text field resign first responder. Okay, so let's see whether we have done the same thing or not. Text field should return. Okay, we have just done the same thing, but it is not working. So what I will do is I will just stop this video, and in the next video I will show you how to do that. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this.